We're checking out sconces, a 2-pack that can be hung anywhere imaginable. And what we're going to be doing is showing you what it's about. We're hanging up an indoor-outdoor sconce that goes onto a wall with a light outlet bracket. Unscrew. With the sconce, 1 Kelvin on top and bottom, unscrew the bullets. Remove the hardware from the back with the bolts. With the ground and the 2 bolts into one of the holes, start to lock down each of the sides. Placing in the lead through first, level, and screw down. The bracket bolts rest on the round square plate. Open up the ground lead, wrap the ground for hanging support, and screw down. With the load and neutral, open up and place in each of the leads. Place your leads into the junction box. Place in to the bolts. Place back on the bell house nuts. We're going to demonstrate the light lit up and shut the main light off so you get an idea of what it looks like. They are sconces for indoor and outdoor use to be hung on the wall to light up above and down. As you can see, the square on top and a nice throw on the bottom. In the evening hour, we'll show you what the light looks like hung up outdoors. From the company ZSMAIKU is a 14-inch 7-watt 4-bulb top and bottom with the soft Kelvin throw light to give a square and a nice up and down light throw. We're going to show you what the lights look like, how to hang up, and what they look like in the evening hour. The evening hour, with the wall switch, we turn the light on. This is what it looks like, 7 watts, a warm Kelvin 3000 plus on the bottom and the top. So if you're looking for sconces, outdoor, indoor, dusk to dawn, no photocell but wall switch to turn the light on, this may be something for you. Enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for in outdoor lighting needs around your landscape. The front of the house, the side of the house, on the wall, by the business, anywhere imaginable. Enjoy your product if this is right for you. And thank you for viewing.